does NIR Milk Light technology help with skin tightening? The NIR Milk Light technology uses a near-infrared spectrum to target all layers of hyperpigmentation, as well as various pigmented and vascular lesions, promoting skin whitening, tightening, and rejuvenation. Step 1. Preparation. Unlock the emergency stop key and turn on the machine. Clean the face thoroughly, wear protective glasses, and apply a smooth, even layer of gel about 1 millimeter thick. Then, adjust the treatment parameters as needed. Step 2. Facial operation. Pick up the handpiece, wear the wrist strap, and start up on the screen. Press the handpiece button and treat the face from multiple angles. Add more gel if needed and adjust the parameters based on the feedback. Step 3. Post-treatment. Press the handpiece button to stop the light output, then turn off on the screen. Remove the wrist strap, return the handpiece and turn off the machine. Finally, clean the gel from the face and thoroughly clean the handpiece.